Starting from the beginning, you can see that I just clean the skin all over, not only the eyebrows, but also the eyes, and between the eyebrows and the forehead. Starting from here, I do always 0 point, the way that I teach you, so half of the face, and then either right or left side. Here I start from the right side, beginning of the eyebrow, now I make the arch and the tail. So I move my client face. Remember that you can also move your client face, just always either ask or just inform that you are going to move her face. Now, the most important, from one side, you are just measuring to the other side. So in that case, you are 100% sure that your eyebrows are gonna be exactly the same. Normally, I measure front to the arch and then arch to the tail. And now I can take just the mapping string and I divide it, as you can see, the lowest part of the hair, the highest part of the hair, and the arch. Now the top, and I connect it with the arch. So basically this is, you can see that I'm drawing now the front, the beginning of the eyebrow, have the tallest point, and I connect it with the arch and arch with the tail, and then with the lower part, also with the tail. Make sure that your lines are visible. And the same thing I'm doing on the other side. So basically, so far I'm gonna leave all the lines that at the moment I have, and I just jump to the other side. Now, once again, front on the upper part and the lower part and the tail. If I can see that some of the lines are not exactly straight as I want, I'm gonna correct it also with the concealer. But before that, I'm cleaning the eyebrows, the lines which are not going to help me, they are just disrupting me. So all that kind of the distraction, is better to clean it, and now the vision will be better. So you can see that over here, I just stretch the eyebrows. Like eyebrow is really well stretched. The skin, you have to lift it up and also stretch between the thumb and the finger. And you can see over here, I just mark also the front of her eyebrow, because the natural hair are showing me basically where the beginning of the eyebrow starts. And then I just go all over with the concealer, a little bit of the concealer, okay? Because sometimes when you put too much of the concealer, it can bother you more than it can help you. Yeah, so normally I just put a little bit, and I also just slightly tap it with a brush, and then I go on the other side. So on the side I go exactly the same, stretching the eyebrow upper, like on the up part, and then between the thumb and the finger. So that's basically how it helps you to make sure that this pre-drawing is gonna be just perfect. And normally I always start from the bottom part, the way how I do micropigmentation. I always start from the bottom, because first of all it will help me, and somehow I believe also this later on is also easier to mark with the natural hair grow. Okay, so now small correction, and also like to make sure that all the lines are straight. Remember that this is very crucial when it comes to the lines, because outline always have to be the straight line, and only the arch is a little bit curvy. The rest of the eyebrow, it have to be straight. And at the moment I'm just cleaning the concealer that it's just bothering, and basically it will be a little bit too much, so the vision is better. And later on I'm gonna show also to my client how her eyebrows can before and after will be nice different. And this is why I'm going to put a little bit of the pencil. Although her skin is pretty dark, I will still put a little bit of the pencil to show her the contrast between the concealer and between the brown pencil. For you, it can help you even more, because starting from beginning, sometimes it's very easy to lose the proper outline. So in that case, this is very good to just to put a little bit of the brown pencil.